Hello viewers, this is Nurlanwan Masood. Welcome to Namura Apexify. In this video, you are going to watch how to install and configure Weblogic Server 14c on Oracle Linux 8.4. Viewers, in my previous video, I have explained how to install and configure Tomcat software on my Linux machine, and I also explained how to deploy Oracle Apex and ords on Tomcat server. So if you want to deploy your Apex app on Tomcat server, you can watch my video. I will append the video link in my description. So let's start. So we are going to our main topic. First of all, we have to download the software from Oracle official website. Go to the browser, click on the first link. From here we'll download generic installer. So click on the link, check it and download. Viewers, if you want to download the software, you must have Oracle account. As I have Oracle account, that's why I type my username and give the password. When click on sign in, it will download automatically. Okay, so viewers, I have already downloaded the software on my PC. That is why I do not want to download it again. Just cancel it. Back to the WinSCP. Here is the Weblogic software. In my Linux PC, I have in downloads folder. I can transfer it, just catch it and drop it in downloads folder. Now I'm going to my Oracle Linux machine. Downloads. Here you will see our Weblogic software 14c is here. Viewers, for installing Weblogic Server 14c, we have some pre-configuration. I have already written the configuration in the file. I'm going to open the file, just put it the right side and I want to open my terminal. Okay, here you will see we have to create 3 directories. First one is for software and other 2 is for configuration. Select and copy this and just paste it terminal. Okay, in second steps we have to set some environment variable. Here you will see append the following entries into the bash profile file. So we have to add this environment variable in our bash profile file. We don't need to add this environment variable again because I have already added this variable in the bash profile file when I have installed and configured my Java software. Okay, we'll just add this variable in our .bash profile file. So let's check our present working directory pwd ls. Dear viewers, you see here is our bash profile file. Now I'm going to open this file. We want to use bi editor dot bash. Okay, you see our 2 environment variable is here. I will append other variable. Just press I. Paste them, save it. Okay, and third steps, JDK installation. I have already explained this in my previous videos. If you do not install Java 11 on your machine, you can watch my videos. I will give the video link in my description box, so don't worry. Now we'll follow these steps. Here run the installer. Okay, now we need to unzip the software. Let's check it. We see our WebLogic 14c is here. Just type unzip fmw, press tab, press enter. Okay, our unzip is completed. Now check the folder ls. Here is our jar file. Okay, now we'll run our jar file. Java -jar fmw, press enter. You see our Oracle Fusion middleware wizard has come. Just click on the next button, skip auto updates, next. I do not want to keep it as default because I have already created my own directory for placing this software. So I'm going to browse and root app Oracle product, this one, open, and click next. Keep it as default, next. Just click on install button. Okay viewers, you see it has been completed 100%, and click next button. Viewers, you see here is tick mark for launching the configuration wizard automatically. So click on the finish button. Okay, we see our configuration wizard is opening. Okay, here I want to create a domain location. You know, I have already created a directory for my domain. Let's browse it and Oracle config domain, select it. Viewers, I want to place my admin domain a particular folder. That is why I have set an environment variable. The folder name is admin domain. So copy this. I'm going to append with this. Okay, next. Just keep it default. In name box you can use username for Weblogic Server. I'm going to keep it as default, and I will set my password, confirm password. Next, domain mode, I want to keep it in production mode, and my JDK path is here. Next, check administration server. Server name is admin server, and listen address, I want to use my IP address. Listen port you can use as you wish. I want to just keep it as default. Click next and create. 100% is completed. Next. Okay, our WebLogic server installation is completed. I'm going to just finish it, and here is our post installation. Okay, we want to export this. Before exporting, I need to add a folder path, copy, and I'm going to run this command for setting environment variable. Paste it, press enter, and going to create a security directory. Our username is WebLogic and password that I have already set. So echo this, just press enter. Also echo this. For running the WebLogic server, we just run this command. Just paste and run. You see our WebLogic server is processing to run. Okay, viewers, see server state changed to running. It's running. Now we can check it in our browser. Open the browser and our port 7001 console. Okay viewers, you see our WebLogic server administration console login page has been loaded. Now we have to provide our username. We set our username WebLogic and password I do not want to save it permanently. Okay viewers, you see we have successfully installed our WebLogic server on Linux machine. Here you see domain structure. Here you see in domain structure we have environment and servers and deployments. We will deploy our apps by clicking this link. If we close the terminal, let's check what will happen. Okay, click and load it. We see it cannot be able to connect our server. So what should we do now? We have to execute a command. Source. I want to execute my bash profile file. Okay, now we have to run this command, copy and paste it. Okay, now run this command for restarting our WebLogic server. Okay, just paste it. Okay, our server state changed to running. It's running. If we reload the browser again, okay, now you see, if we cancel our putty session or terminal, we see our WebLogic server is alive. Okay viewers, thank you very much for watching the video, and when you follow the video, if you face any problem, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and see you again in the next other video.